hope you don't judge the before picture I'm about to share with you. But I'm sure if some of you have a small pantry like mine, you will relate. Hi family, welcome to Enjoy Your Space. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nyanthon Hmai. On this channel, I post each week videos on deep cleaning and organization of my home for those who are starting to establish their cleaning routine and organization system in their homes. So to organize the small pantry, first of all, we need to deep clean and purge everything that doesn't need to be in the pantry. So now that we have a clean slate to start with, here we need to categorize all the products and items that will be living in our pantry. This is great later in terms of finding things very easy in your pantry. So here when I categorize my items, I came up with a grouping of baby stuff. I had like snacks, I had like beans, I had like canned goods, sauces, and bulk stuff. The next step now is to assign these categories to shelves. So once we have assigned all our categories to a shelf, now we need to think through and decide what type of organizers do we need to contain these items in each category on each shelf. So before we rush and go and buy all those beautiful organizers out there, I think the wise thing to do is to assess in your house what are some of the containers or jars can you recycle, and what are some of the organizers you already have in your house. So now that we have all our organizers, either you have ordered them and they have arrived, you have washed them and everything is clean, now the next step is to fill out all your organizers and put them back into the designated shelf we decided earlier. Once that we are done and we have figured it out and all our boxes and jar, everything has been emptied into our organizers and it's all looking beautiful, the next step now is to add our own labels. Make sure to write the expiration date of each item at the bottom of the container. So this is the transformation of my tiny pantry. As you can see, everything is labeled, categorized, things are put in clear containers. Otherwise, this is a series. Last week I did fridge organization, this week is pantry. Next week I'm going to tackle my kitchen cabinets. They're really disorganized. So I hope you come back for that video as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and I'd like to see you next time. Bye bye.